Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your pet to the PetSmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your pet so that you can book grooming appointments through the PetSmart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and click on the PetSmart app. Now, once you're on this option here, the next thing that you want to do is click on account on the bottom right-hand corner. And then once you're on this option here, you want to click on my profile on the upper hand side. Next, click on add a pet. And then this is where you can simply add one of your pets. So if you want to go ahead and add your dog, you can click on your dog. You can upload your dog photo, pet name, the gender, what breed it is, etc. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your pet to the PetSmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.